Well, hello. Let's talk about how you can make profit selling worms. Now, profit disclaimer is anything from 1 penny all the way up to $1 million and beyond. So, first of all, it breaks down to supply and demand. If you don't have worms, you're not going to be able to sell any worms. So, if you're a YouTube creator, this is what you would do. You would say, if you're interested in buying worms, check my description in the description box. There's a link that you can click on and you can order your worms today. Quick and easy. Another way, if you have Facebook, you can put it on your Facebook page and let them know that you sell worms, and they can Facebook message you, and you have the potential to sell worms to a potential customer. Another way, you could go to a farmer's market, put your name in the book, and that way when you're there you can have your little display out. You can educate people on worms and you can make profit that way. Now in the comments box below, I want you to try this out, and within 30 days, leave feedback. Let me know if it worked and didn't work, but I guarantee this will work. Now, if you want to take it to the next level when it comes to your worm farming journey, here's another video. I'll see you in the next one.